Hello everyone. In this lab, we'll observe the histology slide of respiratory system. Objectives: identify the light microscopic structures of trachea and lung, including trachea, small bronchioles, terminal bronchiole, alveolar duct, alveolar sac, and pulmonary alveoli. First slide: trachea, obtained from the cross-section of trachea HE staining. The specimen is luminar structure. The inner surface of lumen is the mucosa layer stained purple-blue. Outside the mucosa is the palely stained submucosa containing many mixed glands. The area has small violet blocks. The outermost layer is adventitia, containing red-stained connective tissue and a blue-stained C-shaped hyaline cartilage that's enwrapped by perichondrium. At the branch of the C-shaped cartilage circle, some transverse and a black smooth muscle bundles and mixed glands can be seen. Observe the wall of trachea from inside to outside at the high magnification. The epithelium of the mucosa is pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium with some goblet cells. The epithelium is connected with underlying connective tissue through distinct basement memory. The lamina propria contains many longitudinally and transversely sectioned elastic fibers, blood vessels, and nerve fibers. Outside the mucosa is the submucosa composed of loose connective tissue, which not distinct divided line with the lamina propria. The submucosa contains mixed glands, which comprises serous acini and mucus acini. Sometimes the duct of mixed glands can be seen, penetrating through the mucosa into the lumen. The third slide: bronchiole, obtained from the section of lung HE staining. The bronchiole have small lumen and thin wall. The lumen is also lined with pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. The peripheral smooth muscle bones have increased relatively. The mixed glands and the fragment of hyaline cartilage have less than in the small bronchiole. The fourth slide: terminal bronchiole. Compared with bronchiole, the terminal bronchiole are smaller with similar walls. The mucosa often present many folds. The lumen is lined by a layer of simple ciliated columnar epithelium, which is surrounded by a thin layer of completely circular smooth muscle. The goblet cells, the mixed glands, and the hyaline cartilage have completely disappeared. The fifth slide: alveolar duct and alveolar sac. Respiratory bronchial structure shows with arrow in the histology slide. It's similar to the terminal bronchiole, except its wall is interrupted by numerous alveoli, all connected with the alveolar duct. The form of the epithelium is simple columnar or cuboidal epithelium and transform into simple squamous epithelium at alveolar opening. It contains some smooth muscle and connective tissue outside the epithelium. Alveolar duct may be surrounded by several pulmonary alveoli or alveolar sac. the structural characteristic of alveolar duct is that terminal portion of the spider between the neighboring alveoli contains smooth muscle, which appears as knob between adjacent pulmonary alveoli. Alveolar sacs are large empty cavities with several pulmonary alveoli opening into them. Compared with alveolar duct, the alveolar sac has no knobs at the terminal portion of alveolar spider. The stars indicate. The last slide. Pulmonary alveoli. Pulmonary alveoli appears as numerous sac-like structures with irregular form and various size. Between the alveoli, there are alveolar spider. The surface of the alveoli is lined with type 1 cell. The arrow indicates simple squamous cells and type 2 cells. Double arrow indicates secretory cells. The squamous cells are extremely thin and even cannot be distinguished. The secretory cells have the spherical or cuboidal appearance. Their cytoplasm is light and the nuclei are round and located in the center of the cell. An alveolar spider lands between two alveoli. It contains of two thin squamous epithelial layers between which lie capillaries and a few connective tissue with some macrophages. Free macrophages can also be seen in the alveolar cavities. The alveolar spider possesses abundant networks of blood capillaries that lightly attach to the alveolar epithelium. We sometimes see that pulmonary macrophage is large with a round nucleus in the center. Its cytoplasm is stained red and filled with numerous engulfed dark brown granules. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention.